In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable guest checkout fast and easy. Guest checkout is a crucial feature for online stores, providing your customers with the flexibility to purchase without needing to create an account. This not only enhances the customer experience by saving time, but can also increase your sales conversion rate, as it removes an extra step in the buying process. So let's dive right in and see how you can enable this feature using WooCommerce on your WordPress site. To kick things off, we'll first need to go to the WordPress dashboard. This is where you can manage all the functionalities of your WordPress site. Once you're logged into your WordPress website, navigate to the dashboard. This can usually be accessed by appending WP admin to your website URL. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. From this menu, click on WooCommerce. This is the plugin we use to manage products, orders, coupons, and of course the checkout process. Clicking on WooCommerce will expand the menu, providing you with several more options related to your shop. Next, we need to click on Settings. This is one of the most important sections when configuring how your WooCommerce store functions. It allows you to tweak various settings to better align with your business needs, including shipping, payments, accounts, and privacy. Within the Settings menu, you'll see a tab labeled Accounts and Privacy. Click on this tab. Here you'll find options relating to customer privacy as well as how customer accounts are handled on your site. Enabling guest checkout is one of the key settings in this section. Now, within the Accounts and Privacy tab, you need to look for the option labeled Enable Guest Checkout. You should see a checkbox next to this option. Make sure you check this box. By enabling guest checkout, you allow customers to make purchases without having to log into an account, making their experience smoother and potentially increasing conversions. After checking the box, we must save these changes. So scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. It's crucial to remember this step, as any adjustments made won't be applied unless saved. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled guest checkout on your WordPress site using WooCommerce. From now on, your customers will appreciate the ease of being able to check out as a guest. Just remember, keep an eye on your sales data. You'll likely witness an uptick in sales from this streamlined checkout process. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.